Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to fix Soundcore earbud not pairing together. Okay. So guys, we are going to discuss by each step. So first step is reset the earbuds. Place both earbud in the charging case and ensure they are charging. Okay. And then press and hold the button for both earbud for 10 seconds. The LED indicator will flash red 3 times and then turn white indicating the successfully reset. Okay. And take both AirPod out of the charging case to confirm they are paired. Okay. And second step is delete the pairing record. Turn off the Bluetooth on your device. Delete the pairing record for Soundcore earbud in your device Bluetooth setting. Turn Bluetooth back and search for the Soundcore earbud to paired. Check for the other paired devices, like ensure no other devices are currently paired with the earbud, as a multiple connection can cause the pairing issue. If previously paired with the Windows 10 device, clear all other connection before pairing with your current device. Okay. And wait for the pairing. After taking the earbud out of the charging case, wait for them to pair each other. This is indicated by white blinking light on both earpad and take up to the 5 seconds, and then check the connection confirm. Once the earpad had been paired successfully, you should receive pairing confirmation on your device. And if all of this step is still not working for you, you can reach out to the Soundcore customer support. Like go to their website, like us.soundcore.com, and then go to the contact us page, and here you can go to live chat, email, whatever kind of support you want. Okay. They will provide you through the all kind of support. So this is the all step. Thanks guys, having a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.